Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a wealthy agency review. You might have found this product in your inbox and wondered, is it legitimate or not? We're going to get into that in just a minute. You're going to be pleasantly surprised, I think. Also, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. I do a lot of product reviews like this just to let you make an informed buying decision. That way you know what's in the product, if you should spend your money and your time on it. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos every single day. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the wealthy agency review. Now, unlike a lot of Clickbank products that I review, this product actually has a creator that is a real person. A lot of the Clickbank products have some sort of spokesperson and you never see the person's face. But the creator of this product is Jamie Lewis. Here's his Facebook page. He is a real person. He does a lot of product launches and he is very successful online. I think he said he's been online for 14 years and he does make a lot of money. So that was good. And the cost of the product is $29. There's 3 upsells. First one is outsourcing suite for $279. The second one is weekly training classes for $149. And then the third upsell is wealthy agency business in a box, and that's $249. So what exactly is wealthy agency? Well, I liked it when he spoke in the video. The sales video I thought was very good, by the way. Unlike a lot of Clickbank products that have a lot of false income claims, paid actors, he's just talking to you about this business, and he said that it's for somebody with no time, no money, no resources, and hardly an internet connection because you can use your iPhone. And he didn't hype it up at all. I mean, he was just speaking from his heart, and I thought it was a good sales video. But what it is about is business models to launch creative services and agencies, such as a headhunter agency, website development, consulting, Facebook ads, and branding. And it sounds like that's really complicated, but it's not. You're basically going to be the go-between. You're going to find clients, and then you're going to outsource the work to somebody who can do that work. So and of course you'll have to oversee it, but that's what he teaches is how you can be the middleman, collect the money, and then get the services done from someone else. Let's see, before we go over the pros, let me just show you the back office here. I'm not going to click on everything, but the first thing that you come to is a video, a 16-minute video by Jamie, and he's just telling you what the business model is, what's going to be involved, exactly what he's going to teach you in the course, which is really good because he gives you ads that you're going to post because you're going to be finding the clients, and then he gives you resources on where to find people to outsource the work to. And the great thing about it, he said, is that you can make a lot of money quickly. And unlike other things like internet marketing where you do a service and then you get paid, or you make a sale and then you get paid, you wait for the money, or like a job, this is different. You have like retainers where someone pays you up front for a service and then you deliver on that service, and so you can get that money up front and then take some of that money to outsource to have somebody actually do the work for you. So he talks a lot about how lucrative this business model is, and he himself does this type of work. And one of the things that he does, which I'm sure he doesn't teach in here, but he does a service where he does product launches and he charges $31,000. And then he JV partners with that person and gets 30% of the profits of the product launch. So you can see that he knows what he's doing. And so that's really good, the welcome video there. Then you have the VIP center where you're going to have the outsourcing suite, the resource box, weekly webinar registrations. The videos, I would say, are very good. He has a lot of them step by step, unlike a lot of Clickbank products that have just like a PDF that you're trying to figure out on your own. He does have swipes where you can use to post ads on Craigslist to get clients. So that's really good. You don't have to figure those things out. He has a directory for managers, how places that you can outsource the work to. And then he's got his business models in here. I'm not going to click on that, but I spoke about that earlier on what those business models are. You can do Facebook ads. You can manage someone's Facebook ads. And sometimes you might wonder, like, how do people like travel the world and you see these digital nomads? Well, a lot of them do affiliate marketing, but I think a lot of them do this type of work because you can get paid a lot of money up front. They may manage someone's Facebook ads for them, their Google ads for them, so they learn a skill. But what Jamie teaches is you don't actually have to do the work yourself. He shows you how you can outsource that. And then he's got good support here as well. And then you can click to register for the weekly webinars where he's live and will answer questions. So that's basically the business model and the product here, just the basic product. So I would say there's several pros that I found in it. First of all, if you just get the basic, of course, that's the low cost of $29. You got the 60-day money-back guarantee because it is a Clickbank product. It's a proven business model. You can get paid fast and in large amounts, and you don't need any capital to, you can be doing it for basically for free. It works if you have no money and no time. It doesn't involve technical skills really per se because you're going to be outsourcing it. I say there's good training with the videos, and there's ongoing training with weekly webinars, and then he has the done for you ads and resources. I would say the cons would be the payment method that he talks about, that you're going to collect your payment from your clients, would be PayPal or Stripe. And I would say you had to probably figure out a different way to do that. Just from my personal experience, I don't know if this is different, but marketers right now are getting their PayPal accounts shut down, their Stripe accounts shut down, their merchant accounts shut down. So I don't know if this is different in that if you speak with PayPal ahead of time, that they won't shut you down if you have all this money coming in, because that's what he says in his sales video, is that you're going to have a problem with having too much money coming into your accounts, that you're going to have to notify them. But it is a real thing, and they are getting shut down. So let's say you made $20,000 and then PayPal shuts you down and they hold your money for 6 months. That's going to be a problem because you're going to have to pay whoever you're outsourcing this to. And also, you're going to have to, it does take work because you're going to have to oversee, you're going to have to make sure the client's taken care of, that they're happy, and that you get good quality work from whoever you outsource it to, pay that person. So you have to make sure that the work gets done and it gets done right. So it does take some overseeing. It's not just, it doesn't take any work on your part. So those are the two cons, but I couldn't find many other things than that. But I do want to say, as far as the payment method, there is a way that I found that you can have no merchant fees and no transaction fees, as well as no chargebacks, because that can be a problem as well if you have any declined charges or chargebacks. But with this payment method, you have none of that. It's member to member. So it's called ORU Marketplace, and I've found that it works very, very well, and that can be a solution to this problem. I'm going to leave a link in the description below the video that you guys can check that out. It is $30.94 upfront, and then $5.95 a month after that. No transaction fees or anything. So you can actually keep more of your money, because that is a con as well. PayPal keeps a good percentage of that money, as well as Stripe and any merchant accounts. So this is not a merchant account, it's not a payment processor, it's member to member, and it's worked very, very well, and you will not have to pay any of that, so you'll keep more of your money. So again, I'll leave that in the description below the video if you guys want to check that out. So that's really basically the my Wealthy Agency review. I think it's a good product. There's not too much that I can find wrong with it. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. And if you found value from this Wealthy Agency review, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. If you can check that out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.